Hi everyone, welcome to this Trade Like Pro Trading strategy tutorial. In this video, I wanna going to show you how you can trade and make profit by using the Trade Like Pro Trading strategy tutorial. This is very simple strategy and high win rate confirm. So guys, watch this strategy very carefully step by step. And remember, this strategy also works very well with most of the trading platform, and you can apply this trading strategy immediately on your trading platform after watching this video. So let's get started. So first I select TRX USDT and 5-minute time frame, and this strategy works very well with 1 minute to 4 hour time frame. And remember, now I want to trade with cryptocurrency group and my coin is TRX USDT and the platform is Binance. You have to must select your platform asset from here because it's very important. So now I have to add our two indicator. So I simply go indicator library. So our first indicator is HACALT. So I simply type here HACALT. Once I type here HACALT, you can see one indicator Barbot Heiken-Ashi long-term candlestick oscillator by Lazy Bear. This one, the short form is HACALT. So I simply click to add on my chart. Okay, we have successfully add our first indicator. So now I have to add our second indicator. The second indicator short name is Pivot EMA. So I simply write here Pivot EMA. Once I write here Pivot EMA, you can see one indicator by EFMAS. The indicator name is 10 indicators in one MACD RSI Pivot EMA. So I simply click to add on my chart as well. Alright, we have successfully add our two indicator. So now I want to setting the two indicator for forecast accurate signal and looks more attractive. So first go with HACALT setting, and from the input value I want to use the TMA period is 54 and the EMA period will be 62, and go style, and for looks more attractive I just simply increase the opacity for green color and also for red color as well, and simply save. So now I have to setting our pivot EMA indicator. So I simply go pivot EMA indicator setting, and from here I no need RSI, pivot and MACD, and simply save. Well done, we have successfully setting our two indicator. So now it's ready to catch signal. Okay, before catch signal, let's introduce with the indicator momentum because it's very important. So first go with HACALT indicator. So HACALT indicator has two color bar, red color bar and green color bar. If the green color switches to red, that means the market is trend change and it's going to happen a downtrend. And if the red color switches to green, that means the market is trend change and it's going to happen a uptrend. So now let's introduce with pivot EMA indicator momentum. The pivot indicator has two color group, red color group and green color group. If all the green color matched the same line, that means it's going to happen a strong uptrend, and if the all red color match with the same line, that means it's going to happen a strong downtrend, and we avoid the trade if all the color is not matched in the same line. So now let's see how you can generate buy and sell signal with the two powerful indicator combination. For buy signal, first you have to make sure the HACALT color bar is green, and the same time also the pivot indicator all the green color appear in the same line. That means it's going to happen a strong uptrend. So we take long position here and our stop loss will be last swing low. And if I see after few the price is trying to go up, and let's see what's happened. And you can see after few hours the price is going up. So if I measurement with this scale, you can see our profit is 9.85% profit from only one trade, and it's totally zero leverage. And if you use 20x leverage, that means 197% profit from only one trade. Really, this strategy is very profitable. So now let's see how you can generate sell signal with the two indicator combination. For sell signal, first you have to make sure the heckled color bar is red, and the same time also the pivot indicator, all the red color appear in the same line. If everything is matched, that means it's going to happen a strong downtrend and it's our sell signal. So we take short position here and our stop loss will be last swing high. And if I see after few the price is trying to go down, and let's see what's happened. And if I see the prices finally go down, so if I measurement with this scale, and you can see 2.98% profit only from one trade, and also it's zero leverage. So if you use 20x leverage, that means 59.6% profit from only one trade. So now for better understanding, let's go with more example and profit and stop loss strategy. So in this chart you can see heckled color bar is green, and also the pivot EMA green color is the same line. That means it's going to happen a strong uptrend. So we take long position here and our stop loss will be last swing low, and our first profit target will be 1 times from the stop loss, and the second profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss. And if I see after few the price is time to go up and hit our profit target 1, and let's see what's happened. And finally hit our profit target 2, and it's count as another successful trade. So now let's go with another example. In this chart you can see the heckled color bar is red, and also the pivot EMA indicator red color is same line. That means it's going to happen a strong downtrend. So we take short position here and our stop loss will be last swing high, and our first profit target will be 1 times from the stop loss, and our second profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss. And if I see after few the price is successfully hit our profit target 1 and finally hit our profit target 2, and it's count as another successful trade. And remember, if you have risk management knowledge, you can increase your profit target, but sometimes it's very risky. And remember, all the time the price will hitting profit target 2, it's not guarantee. Sometimes just hitting profit target 1, even stop loss, but hitting stop loss is very few. So guys, hope you understand how you can trade and make profit by this powerful strategy. So if you enjoyed this content, please give a like in this video. Your like always motivate me to discover new profitable trading system. And if you have any question, you can comment below. And if you want to get more powerful strategy like this, you can check my previous video. Also for future video, you can subscribe to the channel. And as always, thanks for watching. See with you next one.